So I'm in Bangkok looking for somebody's house to check out. Hey, excuse me. Are you the owner of this home?
Yes, this is my home.
It's beautiful. May I ask how much you paid for it?
2.7 million baht.
90,000. Do you mind if we take a look?
Yes, of course. Okay, welcome.
Oh, it's beautiful in here.
My home is quite too small.
Very good feng shui in your home. Did you design this mural?
Start to drawing and I send to printing.
I can feel the
Texture.
texture, yeah.
Always sit here. Also massage sofa.
You get massages here?
Yes.
That's cool. How much?
7,000 baht. I sit here and look at the client that I go. You can see my workspace.
Oh, I love it.
It's cozy. I can concentrate my work when I work here. I am a paleontologist.
Digging bones.
Yeah.
That's all I know.
Yeah, it's the book that I wrote, Shark and Ray, that we found in Thailand.
Oh, this you?
Like a TED Talk.
Your fish tank is so clean. Tell me more about being a paleontologist.
It's who work on prehistoric life, digging fossils under the soil. My specialty is a freshwater shark. Long time ago, shark lived in the river as well. He is my friend. Kitchen. Even I live alone, but I love to cooking.
Oh, I can feel the breeze coming. This is where you cook? Oh.
Protect from the oil. This corner is my pantry. I prepare the breakfast here.
Cafe bar.
Yes, in the evening for drinking.
Oh, okay.
What do you want, coffee or tea?
Oh, it's a mini pizza maker. I love the setup. Another fish tank. Siamese. I saw these
It's
ones.
a smallest fish in Thailand.
Tiny.
Yes, it's tiny.
Wow. They're full of energy, eh? How long do these fish usually live for?
Maybe a year.
Is this you at work? What's the biggest bone you found?
Dinosaur leg, 2 meters.
2-meter dinosaur leg.
Long neck and long tail.
And a chair for...
I have a corner for reading a book everywhere. Even
Oh.
in my restroom as well. Book here.
Oh, okay. For reading on the top.
Yes.
Okay.
I have a hidden garden.
Oh. Oh, wow.
Actually, it's laundry space.
Oh, you even have a lizard. This is incredible to have in your home.
I think for laundry, I can grow in my plant and sit here.
Another reading spot. Oh, and you have a book here too.
And you see a small orchid.
That's an orchid? Wow. Great things grow here. You're the great thing that's growing here. Oh, so it extends all the way down there. I could sit here and meditate all day. You have a lot of space here.
My stuff.
Disco ball. Shoes here. Oh, cool. You make such good use of every corner.
Follow me.
The moon cycle. Oh, Buddha.
This is my bedroom.
Oh my gosh. I absolutely love it in here. Wow.
Bookshelf.
It's so peaceful. This is your hidden balcony upstairs. Wow.
You can smell.
Sweet.
You can touch it.
The oil. What's in here?
It's water.
Wow. Oh, you have more fish over here?
Orange.
That's the tiniest orange I've...
Yes, so sour.
Everything at once? Yeah. Wow. Oh my gosh, I like it. How did you get that pot up here? Cement. By a rope?
Yes.
Oh my gosh. There's a bird living there?
Come to living here.
This is nice. I have to take another look at your bedroom. Another corner for reading. This is cool.
2 or 300 baht. $10.
It's a cool clock. Oh, it's like a nightlight.
Yeah.
Another mushroom light. What are you reading here? Oh, this is Harry Potter?
Yeah, in Thai.
Thai Harry Potter.
In Thai.
For some reason, I thought there was gonna be photos inside. Jellyfish. It can dance. This massage chair. This is intense. Zero gravity. Gonna blast off soon. Do you ever fall asleep on here?
Yes.
Yeah.
Often.
The details you've put in here. Your meditation spot. Is this touch?
Fingers.
I haven't seen that in a house bedroom before.
Guest room, small bedroom, but you can see garden.
Oh, you can see your garden down there. Who usually stays here?
Actually, my parents.
And this is another reading spot. But I don't see a book. Oh, you have books over there. When they're staying here, they can learn which whale is which with the name, and then you can test.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
My dressing room.
Dressing room. Bigger than your second bedroom. Makeup here, yeah. This is perfect for seeing your entire fit. Are you in the army?
So, I have a uniform.
Oh, you wear this every day?
No, only Monday. This one here.
I always wondered what these were for.
Position.
Natural Science Museum. Washroom. Take a quick look. I love all the details you put in. Can I ask what this is?
Boiling water.
Isn't that too hot?
Can choose the temperature.
I love that you even put the rug here. So you live alone here?
Yes, I'm live alone. I'm so happy. Growing the plant and cooking and reading. It's make me happy even I live alone.
Yeah.
No lonely.
Can we see your front garden?
Yeah.
You take good care of all your plants. Is this a lemon or
Lemon.
herbs?
In pad kapao.
Oh, you put this in the Thai dish. Yeah, very delicious. Kelp. Kale. Are you going to eat this?
Yes.
This is like a dream in here. Oh, I can smell the rosemary. You made this bamboo basil?
Basil. Yeah,
Wow.
chili.
Oh, and chili. For the I can't even say it. Pad krapao. Can you actually eat these chili?
Spicy. Would you like to try?
Only because you grew it. It's very spicy. Oh,
Oh, it's hot.
it was real spice, not like fake Frank's spice. Thyme?
For cooking, you can eat.
You're gonna eat this too? What's the taste like?
No taste.
No taste? This is the first flower I've ever eaten. It's so beautiful, I feel bad to eat it.
It's a bit sweet.
Wow, that's pretty good. Oh, I don't think I want to try that one. That one's a bit aggressive. Oh, this is beautiful.
Very sweet.
It's like clean, beautiful washroom.
A lemon,
Really? Orange.
orange, Thai shrimp, and
Oh, Thai shrimp. Another corner with another seat. I like the blue color.
to go to work I drive only 15 minutes from my home.
Oh, you got a new fish tank?
Terrarium, fern, and more ecosystem inside.
You take really good care of the earth, and I love to see that. Perfect spot.
My name is Toyting. For me, home is a space I can feel at peace, relax, and enjoy the moment. That's why I put a lot of thought into creating space around the house for reading, reflecting, and just being with the nature. It's a true feeling of tranquility for me.
Thank you so much for the coffee. Thank you for inviting me to your space. It's so beautiful.
Thank you to come to visit my house.